Hello guys, welcome back to Lingala Academy channel, the best place to learn Lingala language easier and faster. If this is your first time to be here or your first time to watch this channel, I really encourage you, if you're serious about learning Lingala language, to subscribe and to activate the notifications so you don't miss any future video. And if you want to join the Lingala language group that I created to help you guys practice Lingala with me or with other members in the group, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Lingala Academy. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some adjectives in Lingala. There are so many, but today I'm just gonna teach you 20. Actually 21. You will have one as your bonus or as your gift for today, for watching this video and for sharing with your friend. Alright, so before we get started, I want you to know that in Lingala, the adjectives and the adverbs are the same thing. So to distinguish them or to differentiate them, it will depend on how you use them in a sentence. In contrast, in English, adverbs and adjectives are totally different and they're written differently. For example, mad in English is an adjective and madly is an adverb. So you just add ly, li, right? But in Lingala, we don't add anything. They're the same. It can be an adjective and it can also be an adverb. It will depend on your sentence or how you use them, in what context you use them, which will make it an adjective or an adverb. So let's get started. The first one that we're starting with is difficult. Difficult in Lingala means pasi, pasi, pasi. The next one is easy. Easy in Lingala is pete, pete. 3. We have soso. Soso in Lingala, you can say ndenge, or let me repeat it, ndenge, ndenge. You can also say bongo bongo, ndenge or bongo bongo. You can also say moi. So there are 3 ways. You can use ndenge, you can use moi, or you can use bongo bongo. Next, if you want to say so difficult in Lingala, you will say moi pasi, moi pasi, moi pasi. If you want to say so easy or a little bit easy, you will say moi pete, moi pete. Next, moi alone in Lingala can also mean a few, somehow, somewhat. Okay? Next, hard. Hard in Lingala has 2 meanings. It means makasi, 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 or you can say kokemba, kokemba, kokemba. You should know that in Lingala, although makasi means hard, most Kinois or people from Kinshasa use interchangeably pasi and makasi to mean the same thing, difficult or hard. 8, we have drunk. Drunk in Lingala means quiti, quiti. 9 is delicious. Like, this one is so delicious. Delicious in Lingala means kitoko. Itabe oza kitoko. 10, we have handsome, beautiful, amazing, or good. In Lingala means they all mean Kitoko, same thing like delicious. So in Lingala it's easy. 11, bad, horrible, terrible, harmful. In Lingala they all mean mabe. Mabe. 12, we have full. Full in Lingala means kotonda. Kotonda. For example, if you want to say it's full, you will say ezali ya kotonda or eza ya kotonda. 13, empty. Empty in Lingala means polele. Polele. And in Swahili, pole pole means calm, easy. Pole pole. But in Lingala, we pronounce as polele. 14, we have bright. Bright in Lingala means kongela. Kongela. And 15, we have dark. Dark in Lingala means molili. Molili. 16, smart or intelligent. Smart or intelligent in Lingala mean mayele. Mayele. Uza mayele makas. You so smart. Uza mayele makas. Means you so smart. 17, we have idiot, less smart or stupid. Mean zoba. Zoba. Zoba is also an insult in Lingala. Zoba means idiot or stupid. 18, we have hungry. Hungry in Lingala means kanda. Kanda. For example, if I say nazoyoka kanda, means I'm so mad or I'm so hungry. 19, we have happy. Happy in Lingala means esengo. Nazana esengo. I'm so happy. I'm so happy to see you. Nazana esengo ya komona yo. I'm so happy to teach you. Nazana esengo mingi kotangisa bino. I'm so happy to be with you. Nazana esengo kozala na yo or na bino. And 19, we have far. Far or farther in Lingala, they mean same thing. Mosika. Mosika. And as your bonus, 21, we have near. Near or close in Lingala, they mean pembeni. Like here, pembeni. 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 Pembeni means near or close. This is the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please smash the like button and share this video with your friend. Also, don't forget to subscribe and to activate the notifications so you don't miss any future video. You can also donate on PayPal to contribute and to help us to keep bringing you more videos like this. Please guys, you can donate on PayPal at Lingala Academy. Thank you so much and see you in the next videos. Bye.